Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to prevent someone from taking screenshots on Facebook. Today's video is all about keeping your private stuff private on Facebook. We'll be exploring ways to make it trickier for someone to screenshot your posts, pictures, or stories. Now, unfortunately, there's no magic button to completely block screenshots on Facebook, but we have some clever strategies to make things less screenshot friendly. One way is to lock your profile. This is a great option if you want to limit who sees your profile in the first place. With a locked profile, only your friends can view your posts and pictures. This means anyone who isn't on your friend list won't be able to access your content, making screenshots a non-issue. To lock your profile, first open the Facebook app and log in if you haven't already. Once you are in, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open your profile page. From there, find the three dots and tap on them to open up the menu. From the menu, tap on Lock Profile. Then confirm by tapping on the Lock Your Profile button. You might be wondering what changes when you lock your profile. Here are a few key points. Only friends can see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. Only friends can see your posts and photos. Your public posts are set to friends only. Your about info is limited to friends. If you ever want to unlock your profile, just follow the same steps and tap Unlock Your Profile instead. And that's it. You've successfully locked your Facebook profile to prevent people from taking screenshots. This is a simple way to enhance your privacy on Facebook. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.